If you are watching this, you have probably had not so welcome visitor in your home, those pesky box elderbugs. Today we are diving deep into how to get rid of box elderbugs for good. These little creatures can be well nuisance, but fear not. We have got covered with effective strategies to banish them from your space. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will be equipped with all the knowledge you need to say goodbye to box elderbug. 1. Understanding box elderbug. Why? Let's start by understanding our tiny food. Box elderbugs are common pests that often invade homes during the fall and winter months. They are those flat black and white insects that like to gather on sunny sides of buildings. They feed on seeds of box elder trees when temperatures drop. They seek shelter indoors, and that when you might find them sneaking around your home. Now, why you two care about little intruders? Well, apart from the fact they are unsightly, they can leave behind stains and have a pungent odor when crushed. So let's get rid of these bugs once and for all. 2. Natural remedies and prevention. Now let's explore some natural remedies and preventive measures to keep box elder bugs at bay. First, take a good look at your home exterior. Inspect for any crack, gap, or opening where their bug might enter. Seal them with chalk or wet stripping to create a bug-proof barrier. Another handy trick to mix a little dish soap with water and use it to wipe down your windows, sills, and frames. This soapy solution will deter box elder bugs from landing and crawling around. In your garden, consider planting box elder resistant trees or shrubs like lilac or spruce trees. This will reduce their natural habitat and make your property less appealing to them. You can also use natural repellent like essential oil, peppermint, neem, and citrus oil are known to be effective in keeping the pests at bay. For a do-it-yourself solution, you can make your own bug spray by mixing up your drop of essential oil with water and a drop of dish soap. Spread this around potential intestine to discourage boxer elder. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to get rid of boxer elder. Remember, persistence is the key when dealing with these pests. It may take a combination of methods to effectively eradicate them. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.